Hi, I'm Kayla Barber with the product marketing team. ageLOC Boost is easy to use. Begin by tying your hair back so that it won't get in the way of the treatment. Clean your face with the ageLOC LumiSpa and treatment cleanser and follow with your favorite toner. Swipe up once to turn on the device. Then, apply 3 pumps onto the surface of the treatment head and spread evenly over half of the face. Swipe up again to begin treatment. Proceed with treatment by gliding the device slowly in upward and outward movements. Moving the device slowly will help promote a plumper appearance. After the first 1-minute treatment is complete, the device will pause automatically. Dispense an additional 3 pumps onto the treatment surface of the device and spread evenly over the other half of your face. Swipe up the full length of the touch surface. The device will resume, gently vibrating. Continue to treat the skin using slow upward and outward motions for the remaining minute. The device will automatically turn off after completing a full treatment cycle. Massage excess product into your skin and follow with your daily serum and moisturizer. After every treatment, rinse the ageLOC Boost treatment surface under running water to ensure debris and product is removed from the crevices. Thoroughly wipe the device dry with a soft washcloth.